Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Harshika AV, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today, I am going to discuss subject code AL3451, subject name Machine Learning, which is under Regulation 2021. In today's session, covering Unit 5, Design and Analysis of Machine Learning Experiments, specifically McNeumar test, K-fold CV pair t-test. McNemar's test is a statistical test used to compare two classification models on the same data set. It checks for a significant difference in prediction and is used for paired binary outcomes yes or no, correct or incorrect. Purpose of McNemar's test. It checks two classifiers if performance difference are statistically significant and evaluating models on identical test samples. We eliminate data variance, allowing us to isolate and observe purely the behavioral difference between the two algorithms. Next, k-fold cross-validation. The data set is divided into k equal subsets. The model trains on k minus 1 folds and tests on remaining fold, repeating this process k times so every fold acts as a test set once. Results are average. These data to ensure the model's performance score is highly reliable and repetitive. In this k-fold train and test splits, a visual grid showing mechanism of k-fold in split 1, fold 5 is highlighted as the green test set, while fold 1 to 4 serve as the training set. In split 2, fold 2 becomes a test set and so on. By the end of the split 5, every single data point has had a turn to be part of the evaluation set. Next, what is cross-validation? Cross-validation. Why do we go through the computational trouble of k-fold? It improves that the model is not just memorizing the training data by averaging k difference trials in a single split or smoothed out, giving an honest metric of how the model will perform in the real world. Step by step. Each process summarized for implementation. The algorithm will run 10 distinct times. At the end, you will have 10 different accuracy scores. You calculate the mathematical mean of these 10 scores to report your final model accuracy. Benefits. Highlights efficient data usage, reliable estimates, and suitability for small data sets. It also introduced time series cross-validation as a modification where training data only uses past points up to time t and testing uses future points t plus 1. Limitations. Computational cost. Training a model k times is slow for large data set. Data leakage. Pre-processing must happen inside the loop, not before, not ideal for standard time series. Fails if sequential order matters. These slides provides a realistic of deep learning model takes 5 hours trained once, 10-fold CV will take 50 hours, which might be impractical. Data leakage. If you normalize or scale your entire data set before splitting it into folds, info from the test folds leaks into the training phases. artificially infaulting your accuracy score. Pre-processing must always be done independently within each split. Thank you.